This is AirGunsNirvana with a detailed and up-close look at one of the most frustrating aspects of modifying and servicing the Crosman 1377, 1322, 2240, 2250, a lot of different variant type Crosman pistols that use this style of grip frame. And the frustrating aspect that I'm referring to is the loss and reinstall of the tiny detent for the safety, the spring, as well as this tiny little ball. It's very easy to lose those, and also when reinstalling the safety it can be kind of tricky. So when I'm disassembling these style Crosman guns, I like to disassemble them over a pan, a tray of some kind to help catch little parts. I also like to have a magnet so that when the detent spring and ball inevitably fall out, I'm not trying to search for those. Hopefully the magnet will do its job and catch those. I wanted to give a up-close look at how the safety with this detent here and that detent there, when the safety is engaged and disengaged, that's where the spring and the ball are indexing. And this is when the safety is in the firing position. This little cutout in the bottom of the safety here is what allows the trigger to move. When the safety is engaged, it prevents the trigger from moving and firing the gun. So I'm not going to do a complete reassembly of this grip frame. I'm not going to do the sear spring and the sear and the different shims and all that stuff. What I am going to do is just show you the process that I go through for this most frustrating of reassemblies here. So I take my index finger, hold it over so that when the safety is installed it doesn't just fall through, and I put the trigger over the trigger pin, clock it around, push the safety to where it indexes over that assembly, hold that there to the side, take the side plate, grab it with my thumbs, wiggle the safety back and forth to make sure that that's got good play in it, grab the screw to the side plates. Once again, check to make sure that the safety has good play. And then turn my attention to the tiny ball and the detent spring. What I like to do is take some type of grease and take a little dab, put it on my index finger, then take the safety detent ball, work it around in the grease so that viscous nature of the grease makes it to where the detent ball doesn't just go running away from you. Next, take the detent spring, also work a little grease onto the detent spring, slide that in place, and now if there's enough grease on it, theoretically, provided that you don't bump it too much, this should be able to be turned over and the safety spring and detent should remain in position for reinstall. I hope you've enjoyed the information that was given. Please feel free to post questions and comments. I'll do my best to answer any question I can. Thank you and have a good day.